Yesterday at an online auction, I bought 2 abandoned storage units without having any idea what's inside them. And in my last video, we went through the first of those 2 units and I found some amazing stuff. So hopefully this second locker I'm about to take you guys through with me is going to be just as good. Only one way to find out. 4177, 4175. Here is our next unit. I'll let you guys open this one with me. All right, look at that. Again, this is the picture I had to go on. Paid 10 bucks for the unit. And this one actually had some stuff that I saw right off the bat. I saw this bag of toys. I saw the dinosaur right there. And what looked like an airsoft gun or something back there in the corner. You can see that orange tip right there. So I'm hoping there's toys in here. Now, I only got like an hour and a half left before I have to be out of this facility. I totally thought I had all day. So I'm not gonna go through everything. Like a lot of the clothes and stuff I'll just take home with me and go through later. But I will try to go through at least all the boxes and all like the hard goods and stuff with you while we're here. So first things first, let's check out this bag of toys right here. Couldn't really see what was in it in the photos. Nothing that I really was hoping for. I was hoping it was like Transformers or something, but that'll be a nice little donate. What's this big red guy? This is a ton of clothing down in here. Again, not gonna spend time going through this right now. I'll go through it at home. Oh, look at that. This little Hulk figure, actually, that's really detailed. Articulated joints. That's a keeper. That might be worth something. Bag number 2 down here. Box charm. Oh, looks like it might have been one of those little surprise makeup boxes or something. Yeah, surprise makeup boxes. Another one here too. They must have had this ooh. Are they in there? Come on. Oh, one more. Ah, darn it. That would have been nice. Oh, there's some hats down in here. Look at that. Let's see if there's anything good. Little Cobra. Oh, that Bears is a good one. Nice. Again, I paid 10 bucks for this unit, so these hats right here are going to pay for it. That Bears hat's going to pay for it by itself. Cubs, Bulls. Some of these are dirty. That's a nice little Bulls one. Take that. Diamonds and Blackhawks. That one's got some staining. We'll pass. More of these boxy charms here. And a lot of this stuff is unused. I'm gonna keep the stuff that's unused. Dang, a lot of it's unused in here. Felicia's gonna be happy when I bring this stuff home. Hopefully it's not expired and she can use it. Like some of this stuff, I know can go for some crazy money. Ooh, this bag does not look like trash and makeup. That looks like brand new toys. Look at this. Got some Mini Wheel Safari, Fast and Fun Kerplunk, Unicorn Blasters, Jenga. And look at that, there's a bunch more down in here. Little off-brand Hot Wheels. This is all brand new. Yeah, all this stuff is brand new. It's not going to have a ton of value behind it. So what I think I'll do with these toys, the ones that aren't worth much, I'm just going to donate them to like Toys for Tots for the holidays. That'll be nice. And real quick, before we dive even deeper into this unit, I need to thank today's video sponsor, eBay. The holiday season is right around the corner, which means people are going to be out shopping a lot. And for us sellers, that means we are also going to be sending out a lot more packages. Thankfully though, the shipping process has never been easier than it is now because of eBay labels. When you use eBay labels, one of the biggest things you'll notice is just how much time it saves you. No longer do you have to worry about inputting your buyers' addresses correctly because everything is pre-populated for you. And not only that, it also saves you time because you no longer have to print out your labels one by one. Instead, you can bulk print all of your labels at the same time. However, by far to me, the best part of using eBay labels is just how much money it's going to save you. Check it out. It would cost me nearly $10 to send out this package if I bought the shipping through USPS. However, since I'm using eBay labels, it's only going to cost me $6. And don't worry, if you don't have a printer to print out your shipping labels, that is no longer a problem because eBay labels will provide you with a QR code that you can take up to the post office, they'll scan it in, and you'll still enjoy the discounted shipping prices. So rest assured, this holiday season, eBay labels has your back for all your shipping needs. Thank you to eBay for sponsoring this video. Now, let's hop back into it. Okay, so this is one of the things I saw in the photos. I saw this giant dinosaur sticking out, so I figured there might be more toys down inside here. I thought it was Jurassic Park though. I didn't see the mechanical arms. But hopefully there's more toys down in here. See, now for me, since I sell mainly online, a lot of this stuff, even though it might have some value behind it and someone might pay a couple bucks for it, it's just not going to go for that online. It's not worth my time. So a lot of this, I'm just going to donate and let the thrift stores and stuff deal with it. Maybe I could have done a whatnot auction. Maybe I'll do it next time, but it's just not worth it to sell it on eBay for a couple bucks at a time. I will say though, it is pretty fun just going through all of this stuff. So at 10 bucks, even if I don't find a ton in profit, I'm still having a good time in here. Some copy paper, pass. What's this hiding back here? Oh, that's kind of cool. It's like a 3D lenticular. Also had the Jack Skellington picture right there hanging from the middle. Somebody will like that. All right, what is this? RZ Maus. Maybe it's like a pack and play or something. Oh, is that a cricket? Hold up. What is this? Is that a cricket? That's a cricket. Yes, it is. It's a Cricket Explorer Air. Nice. Some of these cricket models can go for some good money, so I'm setting that one aside for sure. Just pull this bag out of here. Looks like it's just someone's school bag, yeah. Oh, wait. Wait. iPad. Nice, not cracked. What's the model? A2197, I think. Hopefully that's a newer one. Nice. That's 2 iPads in one day, 2 from different units. All right, we're kind of flying through this. Got a couple more things back there. I do want to check. Oh, what is that? Yo, hello. Hello. Look at that. Mario Kart? Brand new? Oh, that is so cool. What is this? It was at Kohl's for $32.99. What else is back in here? Oh, this looks like more. There's little makeup boxes. Box charm. Yep. That one's sealed. Sealed. That's in there. That one's been open. Eyelashes. Of course the eyelashes are open. I feel like we're doing pretty decent in this unit. Look at that. Another bag of those box charms down there. So is this. With all the makeup in it. You know, they ordered this stuff. It doesn't seem like they used too much out of it. Maybe they just like the surprise of getting something every month. Yeah, at this point I'm just going to set all of these aside. Because a lot of this just isn't used. Keep it.
All right, y'all, sorry to pull you out from the immersion real fast, Ben from the future here, obviously, but I wanted to give you a quick update on all of that BoxyCharm makeup stuff right there. It ended up being some of the best stuff inside this unit. After everything's said and done, it's looking like there's going to be like $300 to $400 worth of good unused makeup inventory there, so that turned out to be a really awesome score. I just wanted to give you a little update on all that. Now I'll throw you back in.
I do want to look at this. What is this? Oh, it's not an airsoft gun. It's a police force. Oh well, another toy for the tots. Now, honestly, the rest of this is looking like a bunch more clothing and stuff. Oh, that's not clothing. There's a couple more boxes down there. Got some clothes. That looks like towels and stuff. More clothing. Oh, another giant bag of clothing. Oh wait, this isn't only clothing in this one actually. There's another pad. An On tablet. Alright, this bag did not feel like clothing. Okay. Oh, it's a bunch of stuff. There's some fans. Oh, there's some Ewings. Look at that. They're actually in decent shape. Alright. Oh, look at that. There's another pair. Some yellow ones. Those ones look really good, actually. Some more shoes. Rogue. Oh, look at that. Nice. The Vapor Maxes. And the bubbles do not feel popped. Hopefully other one's in there. What is this? A giant blanket. Oh, it's one of those animal blankets. Look at that. Is that 2 tigers? Oh, it smells like dog, though. Yeah, 2 tigers. But it smells like dog. I'm going to toss that. Oh, that got all over whatever's down in there. Yuck. This bag open that it leaked all over. It's a bunch of kids' shoes and stuff. We're just gonna toss that. Okay, also got some plush in here. There's a Frieza. It goes with that Krillin. Where'd that Krillin go? There they are, look at that. Frieza and Krillin. My hands are kind of sticky from that, all that detergent. Oh man, that detergent leaked everywhere. And down in here, there's another tablet. Lots of tablets today. A lot of them just aren't going to be worth anything though. What is this one? That's just some cheap one. Oh, there's a phone. What are you? It's a Motorola. Okay, little Apple TV. We'll take that. Oh, PlayStation controller. It's missing the caps on the stick, but that works. It'll sell. The rest of this junk. And honestly, the rest of this stuff back here, this is all clothing. This is bad clothing. There might be something in here. Nope, never mind. That's more clothing in there too. All right, just dropped off another cart full of stuff, and honestly, all that's left in this unit are these 3 bins in this bag. The bag is full of shoes and those bins are full of clothes. So there's not really much more to go through. I guess I'll go through the shoes real quick, but the bins I'm just going to go through later. Oh yeah, this is all like kids shoes in here. It's all a bunch of little kids clothing. Nothing I'm going to be interested in. It's literally all kids shoes. Yeah, look at that. It's like all kids clothing in there. Nope, not for me. Oh, one more thing. It's like a Jack Skellington little sign or something. Last thing in the unit. The rest of the stuff right here, it's all like stuff I'm keeping and taking home with me. Same with this side, it's all stuff I'm keeping and taking home with me. So we did pretty decent here, especially for 10 bucks.
I will say though, I did enjoy this whole little process right here, like going through the unit, cleaning things out, you know, trying to find little pieces of treasure here and there. It was actually a lot of fun. It was a lot of work. I'll definitely probably bring somebody else with me next time, but it was a lot of fun. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this too. If you did enjoy this and you want to see more videos like this, maybe I'll do more of a high dollar unit next time. Let me know by smashing that like button. If this video hits like, let's call it like 1,200 likes, I'll come back, get a more expensive unit, and hopefully find some more expensive stuff. For now though, I'm gonna wrap things up and get the rest of this stuff loaded into the van. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope to see you in the next one. Until next time, keep on treasure hunting. Peace.